Hey DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel where we dive into the latest and greatest tools that make your projects easier and more fun. Today, we're showcasing 10 innovative tools and equipment that will revolutionize your DIY projects. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, these tools are going to take your creativity and efficiency to the next level. Let's get started. Number 1. The Flexi Hose upgraded expandable garden hose pipe is designed to enhance your gardening experience with its superior flexibility, durability, and ease of use. This hose is made from top-quality materials and never tangles, twists, or kinks, ensuring hassle-free watering. Its solid 3/4-inch brass connectors and double latex pipe eliminate leaks, and it can withstand up to 12 bars of water pressure and temperatures up to 45 degrees Celsius. The hose expands up to 3 times its original length and returns to its compact size for easy storage. It's lightweight and maneuverable, perfect for reaching every corner of your garden. An 8-pattern rotating nozzle is made from durable zinc alloy with an ergonomic, slip-resistant handle, suitable for various tasks like watering plants or washing cars. Compatible with 3/4-inch faucets, the Flexi Hose is a reliable, leak-proof solution for all your watering needs. Number 2. The Dul Battery Tester is a practical and versatile tool designed to quickly check the status of various batteries, making it easier to determine if they need replacement or recharging. This universal tester is compatible with AAA, AA, C, D, 9-volt, and button cell batteries, along with other types. It features 2 contact points for measuring both 1.5-volt and 9-volt batteries. The user-friendly design allows you to simply insert the battery according to its polarity, adjust the slider for different sizes, and read the result. The 3-color analog display indicates the battery's condition: green for good, yellow for low, and red for replace and charge. The tester operates without requiring its batteries, drawing power from the battery being tested for accurate measurements. However, it's advised not to test a battery repeatedly in a short time to maintain accuracy. Number 3. The Cordless paint sprayer operates at a high speed of 30,000 RPM and features a 1,400 milliliters high-capacity container, making it an efficient tool for painting projects. It's designed to boost productivity, offering a quicker, more convenient alternative to traditional rollers and brushes. The adjustable flow control allows for precision across different tasks, catering to various painting needs. Equipped with an upgraded motor that includes temperature protection, the sprayer is safeguarded against overheating, ensuring a longer lifespan. The brass nozzle outperforms plastic alternatives in durability, resisting clogs, and making cleanup easier. Additionally, the double-insulated jacket enhances safety during operation. This sprayer is user-friendly, assembling without the need for tools, making it perfect for beginners. It's versatile, featuring 4 nozzle sizes and 3 spray patterns: horizontal, vertical, and circular, making it ideal for a range of projects like painting fences, ceilings, and furniture. Regular cleaning after use is recommended to maintain its performance and longevity. Number 4. The Soldering Iron Kit is a versatile tool designed for both beginners and professionals, offering precision and ease of use. With a 90-watt adjustable temperature control, the soldering iron allows users to fine-tune the heat within 1-degree increments, ranging from 180 to 480 degrees Celsius, 356 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. The high-definition LCD screen makes it easy to read and set the temperature accurately, improving work efficiency by eliminating the need to guess the right setting for each job. Equipped with rapid heating technology, the soldering iron quickly reaches the desired temperature and maintains it steadily, even with voltage fluctuations. The integrated PID control ensures precise temperature management, enhancing both safety and performance. Additionally, the soldering iron features an automatic sleep mode that activates after 15 minutes of inactivity, reducing the risk of overheating and prolonging the life of the heating core. This kit includes 5 soldering tips, a desoldering pump, a tin wire tube, a soldering iron stand, and tweezers, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from electronics repair to jewelry making. Number 5. The Casto 2.6-meter fruit picker with telescopic handle is a versatile tool designed for effortless fruit harvesting, eliminating the need for ladders. The set includes 640-centimeter stainless steel extension tubes, allowing you to adjust the pole length to suit the height of your fruit trees, making it easy to reach even the most inaccessible fruits. The picker head features a 16 centimeters diameter with smooth, recessed teeth, designed to gently and efficiently remove fruits from branches without causing damage. Made from high-quality stainless steel, the extension tubes are both durable and lightweight, ensuring ease of use. The cotton bag attached to the picker head securely collects the fruit, preventing bruising. Assembly is straightforward. Simply connect the picker head to the extension rod, adjust the length, and start harvesting by placing the fruit stem between the teeth and pulling gently. This fruit picker is ideal for a wide variety of fruits, including apples, cherries, plums, and more, making it a must-have tool for any fruit grower. Number 6. The adjustable leaf rake with a 215 cm handle is a versatile tool designed for efficient garden maintenance. Ideal for collecting leaves, grass clippings, and other garden debris. It is perfect for use on lawns, under hedges, and around flower beds. However, it's important to note that this rake is not intended for heavy-duty tasks involving stones or dense materials. The rake features a retractable handle that can extend from 45 centimeters to 215 centimeters, allowing easy access to hard-to-reach areas under bushes and between flowers. This adjustable length also helps reduce bending and fatigue, making long garden tasks more comfortable. Constructed from flat steel, the metal leaf rake is designed to resist deformation and breakage, ensuring it remains effective even with regular use. It's also resistant to the harmful effects of water and sun, maintaining its durability over time. The rake efficiently gathers garden waste, making it especially useful during autumn when leaves are abundant. Number 7. The 100-watt portable solar panel for power station is a versatile and efficient solution for outdoor power needs. It features a controller with 4 versatile interfaces, making it compatible with 95% of portable power stations. The solar panel also includes USB-A and USB-C outputs for charging devices like phones and laptops. Crafted with A+ monocrystalline silicon solar cells, this panel achieves a high conversion efficiency of 23.5%, ensuring optimal power generation even in challenging conditions. Its robust design includes an ETFE coating, providing IP67 waterproof protection, making it durable and suitable for various weather conditions. However, while the panel is waterproof, the control box should not be submerged in water. This foldable solar panel is lightweight and portable, weighing just 9.48 pounds. It includes kickstands for easy setup, allowing you to adjust the panel's angle for maximum sunlight absorption. Additionally, the smart charging technology offers multiple safety protections, ensuring efficient and safe charging of your devices. Number 8. The Cordless Weed Whacker is a versatile and powerful tool designed for efficient lawn care. This latest model combines multiple functions into one device: string trimmer, weed trimmer, lawn edger, mower, and brush cutter. It features a high-power 800-watt pure copper motor with a no-load speed of up to 20,000 RPM, allowing for effective and quick weeding without the constraints of a power cord. The Weed Whacker comes with two 21-volt, 4,000 mAh lithium batteries, providing high efficiency and long runtimes of 70 to 90 minutes on no-load and 40 to 60 minutes during operation. The batteries are rechargeable within 2 to 3 hours, and their alternating use ensures you can cover your entire yard without interruptions. Compared to gas-powered models, this electric tool offers lower noise, zero emissions, and minimal maintenance. It includes 3 types of cutting blades: a rhombus blade for thick weeds and hedges, an S-blade for plants and small brush, and a saw blade for pruning branches. The adjustable telescopic pole extends from 33 to 47 inches, and the pivoting head can be rotated from 0 to 90 degrees, making it easy to reach tight spaces. Weighing just 3.28 pounds, the Weed Whacker is lightweight and user-friendly, featuring safety switches and a weed splash cover to protect against injuries. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort and control, making it ideal for trimming around yards and bushes. Number 9. The Yida Home 6 to 9 feet telescoping aluminum work plank is a versatile and durable platform designed for various scaffolding and ladder tasks. This telescoping plank adjusts from 6 to 9 feet in length, with a width of 12.5 inches and a height of 2.75 inches, offering flexibility to accommodate different work environments. Constructed from high-strength aluminum, the plank supports up to 440 pounds, making it suitable for 1 or 2 people. Its reinforced aluminum design resists corrosion and rust, ensuring long-term safety and reliability. The plank is both sturdy and lightweight, making it easy to transport and set up. Key features include skid-proof adhesive tape at both ends to prevent sliding, and a specially treated surface to enhance friction and reduce the risk of accidents. This work plank is ideal for a wide range of applications, including painting, drywall installation, repair work, and cleaning tasks, both indoors and outdoors. Number 10. The 48-inch adjustable height workbench is a versatile and heavy-duty workstation designed for a range of tasks. Its height can be adjusted from 29-inch to 39-inch, providing ergonomic comfort for both sitting and standing positions. This feature enhances productivity and reduces strain during extended use. Constructed with a thick wood tabletop and a robust steel frame, the Workbench supports up to 2,000 pounds, making it suitable for heavy-duty applications. The durable design ensures stability and longevity, ideal for professional workshops, garages, and home projects. The Workbench includes a spacious drawer for organizing tools and supplies, helping to maintain a clutter-free workspace. Integrated power outlets add convenience by allowing you to power tools and devices directly from the Workbench, eliminating the need for external outlets. Equipped with smooth rolling brake wheels, the Workbench can be easily moved and locked in place, offering both mobility and stability for various tasks.